My last comment on dealing with people and other humans as a network engineer is you need to learn how to compromise. Now, compromise has a negative connotation. Oh, no one wants to be a compromiser. You got to be, stick by your guns, and you got to believe in a thing and do the thing and never compromise. Compromise is terrible. No, compromise is actually what adults do. And you, as a network engineer, need to learn how to compromise. In fact, you'll be doing it all the time. What do I mean by this? Imagine that I came to you as the business stakeholder and I said, I need you to build me a network that does this amazing thing, whatever this amazing thing is that the business needs. If you were left to yourself and money was no object, you could spend as much money as you felt like spending. Millions, tens of millions. Money was no object to solve this problem for the business. What would you build? You would go for it, wouldn't you, if money was no object? Oh, baby, as an engineer, you would just crank up to the biggest, baddest switch and all the latest optics and run brand new fiber everywhere and all the rest. You would really, really go for it. Only no one gets that blank check. Every once in a while someone does, but it's not you and it's not me. We've never gotten that blank check. Therefore, what do? You compromise. You have to come up with the trade-offs that give the best technical solution to a complex business problem within the boundaries that are provided. In one case, it's money. In fact, that's a very frequent boundary that you're going to run into. What you can provide for the business is limited by the amount of money that they are willing to spend. Therefore, your solution is a trade-off. I couldn't buy the biggest, baddest switch because they didn't have enough money for that. I had to back down and buy this other switch that isn't quite as fast and doesn't quite have the port density, and it's going to need to be good enough, and most of the time it will be, etc. Learning to compromise, again, I said that's what grown-ups do, which sounds a little harsh because when you are an engineer and you are idealistic, you might think to yourself, I can't believe they didn't approve the system that I had put together because that's the right answer for their needs. Yeah, but businesses don't operate like that. Businesses are constrained by money. They don't have infinite money to spend, or maybe they have money to spend, but it has to get spread around not just for the network, but also for servers, also for training, and also for a lot of other things that comprise. You're just one part of this project that is going on. And so therefore compromise is a trade skill that you're going to have. Find the trade-offs and figure out which is the best, the most appropriate trade-off for a given situation.